How to add dotted text in Google Docs. Simply follow these steps. First of all, go to the Google Docs, then simply tap on the plus icon available there in order to open the new workspace. Now, once inside the workspace, all you have to do is tap on the insert option available there at the tab. Then a drop down menu will appear. Now, simply tap on the drawing option available from there. Then tap on the new option available. Now once done so, all you have to do is tap on the add action and tap on the word art from the drop down menu. Now simply type down any according to your preferences, whatever you want to dot. Now once you have typed down, we can simply change the color of this text. All you have to do is tap on the pen icon available there. So I'm changing this into the light yellow color. You can also change the text if you want to by double tapping on it. Now make sure to select the text. If you do not select the text, then you won't get to see the border dash option available at the tabs. So make sure to select the text and tap on the border dash option available there. And select the border or dot you want to create on a text. And once done so, you can choose any according to your preferences. There are different types of dots available. And once done, you can save this file. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.